Hello, veterans and families. I'm Travis Studdard, a veterans disability attorney, talking to you today about something that came across my radar not too long ago, and that is bile duct cancer that we're seeing in some veterans who served in Vietnam and Southeast Asia, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, some of those countries during the Vietnam War. Bile duct cancer, again, the reason it caught my attention is bile duct cancer is a very rare, extremely rare form of cancer in the United States. The other name for this, the more technical term, is cholangiocarcinoma. So you may have heard of either cholangiocarcinoma or bile duct cancer. Those are one and the same. So again, extremely rare here and fairly common in Southeast Asia. Again, Thailand, Vietnam, it's a cancer that afflicts many people there. And now we're seeing this pop up in many of our Vietnam veterans who served over there. And in terms of how this works, this form of cancer, there's several risk factors for it, but one is liver fluke infections. And again, many of the veterans there were exposed to liver flukes. Those are very prevalent parasites in that region of the world. And one is infected with these parasites by eating raw or undercooked fish. And again, many of our veterans did that to supplement their diet there. So again, if you eat these infected fish, then the parasite can infect you. It's a relatively low-level infection. A lot of times there's hardly any symptoms of it, and so the veteran doesn't know for many, many years that he's been afflicted with this. And then over time, this parasite causes a chronic inflammation of the bile duct tissues, and eventually that inflammation that's chronic in nature can result in cholangiocarcinoma, or again, bile duct cancer. Unfortunately, this is a cancer that is not detected very early, and so often it does become fatal or very serious for the person who's diagnosed. So again, if you served in Vietnam or in that theater and have been diagnosed with bile duct cancer, consider whether you are eligible for service connection of your bile duct cancer. Also, if you are the surviving spouse or dependent of someone who served in Vietnam and died of this condition, again, it's extremely rare, so it stands to reason that there could be a connection between their service and their death, which would entitle you, of course, to DIC benefits. So again, keep that in mind. If you know of someone who has that, please pass this along. If you have any questions, again, contact our office. Again, and to be clear, you will have to connect all of the dots on this, but it certainly can be done. If you have any questions on that, reach out to us on winyourvetclaim.com, which is our website. You can get a free consultation as well. Hope you found this helpful, and we will catch you next time.